quite thick, but it doesn't take a lot of space. And this is what this one looks like. So the same size. It looks like the same size. Yeah. Oh yeah. So it interlocks where the hole is. There. So they've measured it already. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. So yeah. So they finish this and then they're gonna start plastering. I've ordered for the. I am. I'm at pains to tell you. Lot. Let me move from here. They're playing some music in the background. I'm at pains to tell you. Lot. You see here, this bit's wet as well. But we're gonna extend this bit here anyway. So yeah, I'm at pains to tell you. Lot. This is the nursery. So that's pepper and that's tomatoes. So the nursery didn't quite work because you can see there's water in the far side, and not all the plants like too much water. I know tomato does, but anyway, I'm paying to tell you lot not to pay someone more than a third. Um, I don't know what else. I'll keep repeating anyway because people discover the videos at different times. So I'll just say, I'll give you an example. Yesterday, we arranged for the regular proof to come in so that we can fix. We're meant to clean this water tomorrow. Well, we're meant to, for regular proof so that we can fix it for the plastering. The guy said to me, I said to him, I'll give you. I think I was gonna give him even. I broke my rules. I was gonna give him more than usual. Less. I was gonna give him less than he thought. But anyway. And then he said, "Oh no, you know what? Just take only a little balance left." And he said, "Oh, I'll get it done today, right? I'll just show the regular proof not in the building. I'll just show it so that you lot can see. I just want you lot to understand that never, ever, 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 ever pay for anything here more than a third in advance. Now, the reason why you pay in advance is they'll tell you, I need to pay workers, I need to buy the materials. Because I need to buy the materials, I need some money to buy it. Don't give more than a third. Just don't do it. Because when you do pay more than a third, you're not going to get the work done, right? Luckily, this is just small scale and that's it. But this is replicated everywhere. If I give this guy, the guy that started the mason work today, if I give him more, he's asking for half. If I give him half, he will start and then he will go somewhere else, right? So he would say, for example, he's taking another person's job. He will go and do their job, and then come. You'll be chasing him, right? So what I need to do is give him a third. I said it to him yesterday. He said, "Nah, I should give him a half." I don't think so. I'm gonna give you a third. I just say that's what I have on me. Just give him that. Then I'll say to him that okay. then I'll check to see the progress of the work. If you don't do that, forget it. Now he could pay half of for the whole job. He's keeping the other half. Now it was a bit of it's either I play the game with him or get someone else, or just negotiate to a point. I negotiated it to a point. I know he can do half for the whole job. I'm trying to refine it more and more and more, but he was also playing hardball, and because I didn't have enough time left, I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna give it to him. But that's the game we've been playing so far. So he charges me. He gets to a point. He sticks to his guns, and then I kind of relent based on time and stuff like that. And he's worked that out. He's worked it out. Now I also get to a point. Now the reason why I don't want to do per day is because even now that I'm doing contract, look how slow the work is going to take out. So I'm just trying to let you know. So once I've done the floor now, I kind of have an idea. So I kind of know that when he charges way more. He finishes the job with half the money and he keeps the rest. So basically, it's halfway I need to look at. But you also need to give him a little bit more so that that's his incentive to kind of speed up the game or do it well. So it's kind of like a chess game, but I'm just letting you know roughly. So even if you get a contractor and he charges you say 20,000, you know the job really is going to be done for 8. You might negotiate to about, if I say halfway, he's not going to have it. So say 12 or 15 or 14. That's probably where you need to get to. But yeah, just to let you know, see, the guy hasn't turned up. So now I go chase him and call him. And he apparently just round the corner. Now that's just even somebody that is come down. He just round the corner and he told me that would be done yesterday. It hasn't been done. You understand? And that's because I gave him majority and now I've only got a little bit left. So don't do it. Even if you get a price that you're comfortable with, just give a third to buy the material. Find your reasons. I don't have the cash. I'm about to transfer wherever. And also, these don't force you to be, if you don't take care, they force you to be liars. Because basically, if you got the cash and you say you don't have the cash, in a way, you're lying, isn't it? But it has to be done. If I was to tell him, this guy here, that no, I'm not doing it, then all of a sudden you're the guy that's not compatible with everybody else. You're not being reasonable. So basically, he's not being reasonable. You choose not to be unreasonable. Everyone's happy. I don't have, I'll transfer it to you. I'm waiting for a couple monies to come in a couple days. Everyone's happy. Else, this was gonna happen. And I just this happens 100% of all the time. 100% when I give someone the money. 100% it never gets done. 100% all my life. 100% never do it. So just letting you lot know that um, don't give all the money. Just pay a third, and that's it. This guy has called me early today because he's expecting me to come and give him money. It's the money bit that matters. That they care about. Care about it. About don't give. I was gonna swear that I was gonna don't give a fuck about anything about you or your feelings. So you two do the same thing politely. My brother called it yesterday. Robustly. What do you call it? Truthfully, robustly truthful, something like that. He said it like that. Perfect. Yeah. So they're gonna put block work here as well. But yeah, I'll show you a lot of the progress as work goes on. But these are little things that you lot need to kind of work out with. Do not do it. So let me hang up now and call the guy to chase up for my own thing that I've paid him for.